for the title, for the trophy, are inconsistent, then you really do have a chance. Consistency is everything in this competition, as the Special Force Kalkan of Kyrgyzstan head up and over those wooden walls, 9 feet approximately. Ooh, that was a big bang. What has he got? A bazooka? I'm surprised the recoil, the kick on that doesn't knock him back off the sniper's platform. They're going well, the Special Force Kalkan-1 team of Kyrgyzstan. They're going very well. This looks like they're going to come in under the 2-minute mark. The final deadweight dummy has been dragged across the line. They are allowed to do that, as long as they don't drop any part of it from the waist up. There's no procedural penalty. Waiting for the final assaulter. Oh, he needs to really get a crack on. Yeah. There goes the 2 minutes. Come on. Giddy up. Over the line in 2:09.7.